Hello everyone, our group decided to talk about hybrid identities that exist in the Indigenous community in Canada. We'll also specifically look at Inuit group and the consequences of faking one's identity. But let me ask you, why is it important to protect our identities?
Canada is a home to a vibrant mosaic of Indigenous identities, each shaped by unique cultural heritage and historical experiences. This diversity is rooted in the interactions between First Nations, Inuit, and Métis peoples and European settlers over centuries. So understanding these hybrid identities becomes crucial. It is essential for fostering reconciliation and building an inclusive society. Hybridity was referred to how people colonized were able to create their own identities by involving elements of other cultures. Therefore, identities are no longer static or singular. Second, hybrid identity is a situation where people combine facets of divergent elements to form new identity. And finally, hybridity has deep historical background and significant contemporary implications. The Inuit are unique Indigenous people inhabiting the Arctic regions of Canada, including Nunavut, Nunavik, Nunatsiavut, and the Inuvialuit settlement region. The Inuit people as they preserved their unique languages while incorporating English and French. Also, they use traditional practices paired with advanced tools in hunting and fishing. The positive impact in Inuits bring resilience and adaptation, and enhanced efficiency, while challenges of cultural dilution and identity conflict impact their way of living. Now, why is this important to be recognized? Because it has implications for policy making and community development. Do you know anyone who claims to be Indigenous but they are not? That's what we call pretendian. Is it bad as it sounds? Yes, absolutely. And believe me, there are consequences of faking one's identity. Cultural appropriation is when pretendians participate in cultural appropriation while diminishing the genuine struggles and lived experiences of real Indigenous peoples. Resources intended for genuine Indigenous communities may be diverted to those who do not have legitimate claims. And finally, it's the erosion of trust that can lead to distrust Indigenous communities to the broader society, preventing reconciliation and understanding. Hybrid identities have evolved through cultural mixtures and external influences, impacting modern societies by offering for innovating and challenges in preserving Indigenous culture for future generations. Now, we leave you with a question of how do the various cultural, social and personal identities you embody influence your sense of self and how you navigate different environments?